3.02, I can determine the slope or write the equation of a perpendicular line. Okay, so before we start, let's refresh our memory about perpendicular lines and their slopes. If a line has a slope of m, right, m1 is just m, then the perpendicular line to m1 will be 1 over m, its reciprocal, and then made to be the opposite. So the opposite reciprocal. So we flip it, change the sign. Okay, find the equation that passes through 1, negative 5, and is perpendicular to negative y plus negative x plus 2y equals 2. All right, so the first thing we need to do here is find the slope of this line. So I have negative x plus 2y is equal to 2. We need to go ahead and move this x over here because we want y by itself. Right, add x to both sides. So now we need to divide everything by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. X divided by 2 is 1/2 x. All right, so the slope of this line is 1/2. The slope is 1/2. The perpendicular slope, so of my new line, we're going to flip 1/2 to make it 2 over 1. Flies. And then we have to change the sign. So my new slope is negative 2. So I have my new slope, and I have a point that new line goes through. All right, so we have y is negative 5 is equal to m, which is negative 2, my new slope, m, times x plus b. So if I add 2 to both sides, I get b is negative 3. So I have my new slope, and I have my new y-intercept. Negative 2x minus 3. Okay, so that line goes through that point and is perpendicular to the original line. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Find the equation that passes through this point and is perpendicular to this line. This one's easier. They gave us our original slope. Our original slope is negative 5. So my perpendicular slope is going to be the reciprocal of 5, which is 1/5. And we're going to change the sign. So it goes from negative to positive. So there's my new slope. And here are my points. An x and a y. So we have y is equal to m x plus b. 1/5 of 5 is 1. So my